going to be doing an LR3 front brake shoe sensor. Stupid easy. $7. Get the one that's got the high rating on Amazon. Really easy to put in. You're going to start, the trickiest part is you're going to have to get up into this. There's a couple of pins up here. There's one here, and then you got to get up in behind this shroud, which you can see I've already done this twice. If you run your brake shoes down all the way to the point where the sensor goes off, you have to replace this sensor. There's no other way around it. So it's a simple, easy fix. Take the wheel off, 4 lugs, turn the wheel to the right all the way so you can kind of get in here. You don't have to, but it makes it a little easier. And then you got to find the male version of this piece, which goes up through here. So I'll try to show you how to. So you're going to basically clip this bad boy on. Let me try and wrap this around my knee. Get a feel for this. So this is going to go. Got to go on the right way. There's one side has a slot, the other doesn't. That would be this. Okay, you're gonna hear it clip. Just tuck this bad boy underneath. In here, I actually just cracked the shroud because I'll probably do this again at some point in my life. I don't bother clipping it up there. You can do that if you want. And then you're just gonna kind of thread this piece up as a little rubber grommet. Goes up into here. And you're going to thread this back through the back, under here, if I can get it. Hang on, let me readjust. Bear with me here. I don't know if you guys can still see it. It's going to come down through here. And there's actually another one of these little grommet pieces you got to clip into underneath here. And you're just going to have to kind of feel it. It just kind of sits under there. And then you're going to thread. You're going to just thread this through. Clip it into the little clips right here. There's 2 green clips. Get it all the way down. And then you got one more down here, which will clip somewhere like so. Okay. Kind of see that? Just clips right in there. And then you're going to bring your little fadoozy back into here. This piece here, if you can see all this, I hope I'm not going too fast. So you got your little foodonger. It's going to go right into the hole, and it just clips right in there. I don't know if you can see it. There it goes. And then this little piece right here goes on here. You really don't even have to take anything apart. It's really easy. This has probably taken me more time to video than it has to do the brake piece itself. Anyway, so that's it. Runs up, clip it in, make sure you got it all clipped in, and that is how you do a 2005 Land Rover LR3 brake sensor cable. And it's the same for the back. There's just one in the front on the left, and then there's one in the rear. So if your brakes go to the point where it's past the point of no return, you are going to have to replace this little bugger. And they're only $7. And let me see if I've got the bag in here somewhere. Yeah, I had the bag. I'll show you the part number. Oh, there it is. Okay, here it is right here. It is that's the one. You can get that on Amazon. $7. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, subscribe. If you have any questions, just ask me. Appreciate it. I'm John. I'm the Land Rover sub-mechanic of mechanics, living here in the wonderful world of Idaho, trying to keep my car running, and it's working. So far, so good. Anyway, check my channel. I've got other stuff on there. Bye.